Hello guys, it's Tova, and today I have some happy mail to share. I got this package today and it's from Melissa. She's MPS Princess here on YouTube, and we made a swap. It was supposed to be a pocket letter swap, and then it sort of grew a little bit. So she sent me this really big box. As I open it up, here's an envelope, and I guess this is a card. Very pretty card. It says XO. Very nice, like, pattern. This must be a cutout from some kind of collection. Oh, I really like it, and I think yes. This is her letter. I'm going to read this off cam. And a stamp set. Oh, with teacups and coffee cups. I don't know if you can see this right. Very pretty. I'm going to make a pocket letter with this, I think, and I can stamp and color these. Yeah, I really like it. Thank you, Melissa. And here's some. Wow, you really stuffed this, didn't you? Oh my god, you spoiled me. This is handmade, so I'm going to open this last. And a lollipop. I am such a sweet tooth. Thank you. And wow, look, it's a flamingo stamp. I've never seen this before, actually. Very unique. I have a person in mind that I could make something with that for. And wow, she sent me rolls of washi, and oh, this one, I really like this one. Actually, I don't really have black and white washi, so this is, oh, I ruined it. Or ripped it. It's going to be fine. But yeah, I really like this one. Thank you so much. And this green one is also very unique. Haven't seen anything like this from Planner Society. Yeah, I'm also starting out to like get into the planner thing. I haven't really got the hang of it yet, but oh, this is like a cherry blossom washi, and I have some tapes too in these kind of boxes, and like the packaging is so adorable. And let's see, this is so cute, and like a different colors, like a darker pink. This would do very well in like vintage situations. Whatever. So yeah, I really like this. Thank you so much. You really spoil me. Like full rolls of washi. I never expected that. And some markers, or is this, oh, pens. Some with glitter, like, and is this gold? Yes, a gold one. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to try them on the inside of the box. And this yellow sparkly one was really cool. And I really like the blue one too. Yeah, and the black one is also like metallic shimmery kind of marker or pen. So yeah, I can really use these, especially now when I'm starting out with like planning and stuff. So thank you very much for those. And some stickers, and this is 2 sheets, and this is also very different from like anything that I have. So I can really make like a really cute pocket letter with this. So yeah, I can really use those. Thank you. Those are very cool. And at the bottom, here's the pocket letter. So I'm going to save the pocket letter for last. And then I have to open this. I really like the paper. Is this Felicity Jane? And it's also magnetized. Ooh, and there's a lot of stuff inside. And this is packaging. Wow, look at all of these. Is it like little frames and stickers? So cool. Here. Who, what, when, where. I think this is supposed to be here. Wow, there's lots and lots of stickers and cutouts and chipboard pieces. I think I've seen these before. Is it Felicity Jane? I'm not sure really. But I really love them. It's going to be perfect for summer. Look at this one. I was thinking we have to make like a summer album this year. Oh, this is perfect for a planner. Really nice. There's so much in here. Thank you so much, Melissa. Lots and lots of cutouts and chipboard pieces. Oh, I really like this one. Today was a good day. So much goodies. You really spoil me. And this packaging is so neat. I can really use this for storage. Did you make a tutorial for this? I have to look into your videos again. Go through a bit. This is really neat, actually. And last but not least, the pocket letter. So we can see the pocket letter in its full glory. This is just... And it has a tag, says Happy Valentine's Day, MPS Princess pocket letter for 2018. And this one, I think it's really funny, it says Hey Sucker. And Love Bites, Happy Valentine's Day. It has a sort of bittersweet tone to it, and I kind of like that. I'm not really a romantic type like that. I find it kind of hard when there's like really quirky romantic things. So, and I think she colored these herself. I really like the ombre kind of the coloring here. I think it's very nice. There's some washi down there, and yeah, this is like a wood veneer. Thing cutout sticker. I don't know. On top of this it says just be you, and then here's a shaker, and I shaked the pocket letter when the camera was off, and then stuff started to fall out, because I wanted to have like a closer look at this. I thought this was so cool. Look, it says loved, and it's like a resin word in here, and this like sequence mix is so pretty. I love the pink and the black. So, and oh, there's like a resin star in there as well. So there's a lot of stuff going on inside. And this one, is it a monster? Sucker for love. Thought that was really cute. And this one says hello love, and it has a tag, and I think this is also resin or chipboard. And happy love day, will you be my Valentine, yes or no? And you make my heart explode. And I really like these, like is it called Roxy? And it's like this Roxy bows. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. So, and there's goodies in this one. I didn't put any goodies in mine because the plastic pockets were such bad quality, so it got like bruised when I tried to do that. So but this one is much better quality than my plastic. So I'm going to take the goodies out, and here's some cutouts. Hey there Valentine, happy Valentine's Day, dance Valentine's evening. Oh, it's like a ticket. And here's some more cutouts. February. Oh, you could use this in like a planner. Tag, happy Valentine's Day, Valentine's dance, happy Valentine's Day. These are great for a layout, all of them. Oh, and another one of these color ones, I really like the ombre effect. And this one, I'm not sure if these stickers are lovely, particularly like this one. I'm not sure if this tag is like supposed to be a part of the pocket letter, because it peeps out on the top and a little bit down here. And it looks like this, says happy Valentine's Day. I thought this matches very well with the pocket letter itself, so I'm going to leave it there for now. And let's see, yeah, you get inside on this side. I'm just going to do it like this. Oh, this is stickers. Lover, vamp, babe. Oh, I really like this one. Love this, love bites, kiss, kiss, together forever, hey lover, love you, and kiss, kiss. Oh, I can really use these. And I love the like emo vampire what do you say, like theme. Getting all the sequins off, and here's more cutouts. I love your face, very straightforward. Some hearts. Oh, this tag is very interesting with a like a hole in the middle. Some tags and some more cutouts. And I think this is a sequence mix. Oh, it's the same sequence mix that I got, and I'm really happy about that, but because I really love this. And I think I have like a similar mix. You can see the round like sequence things. I have a similar but different color, so that's very fun. Then I have both. Yeah, oh, there's so much stuff. You know, this video is going to be so long. And some enamel dots and some bling in different colors, and I'm very happy about that because I only have these in like pink and diamond or white or whatever. So this is amps it up a little bit to have all colors. And here's, what's this? Is it more stickers? Oh my god. Oh, more vampire fangs, a heart, more hearts. Oh, vampire fangs. I guess I could use these for Halloween cards as well. If I'm having a Halloween party, I can use them for the invitations. Make a circle out of salt to protect against all boyfriends. Yeah, if you watch Supernatural, that's really funny. Yeah, so I hope I've shown everything, and I must say, wow, Melissa, you really spoiled me with all of these goodies. Thank you so much. I'm very happy we made this swap. Yeah, I hope you're doing well, and thank you everyone for watching. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me, and I'm going to leave the link to Melissa's channel in the description, and also to the video when she unboxes my pocket letter. And yeah, I hope you have a beautiful day. I hope to see you soon. Bye.